Welcome everyone. Thank you for tuning in. So I've had some questions about how I do my cover tracks and just kind of want to go over just a basic principle as to what I do with mine. Everyone is different and I understand that and realize that, but this is how I choose to do my cover tracks, which is using Audacity. It's a free download. I definitely highly recommend it, especially if you're doing solo stuff. It's good for your recording and any type of audio stuff that you're putting together. So you can do mono tracks and stereo tracks. So let's get right into it. So basically, I'm going to start with a track that Brandon and I had done over the summer, just the guitar and drums. I'm going to show you just how to do some simple tracks here, or some editing, I should say. So as you see up here in this menu, you have multiple ways of changing some stuff, from speed to echo effect. Everything that you need is pretty much in here. You can do distortion effects, tempo, and the list just goes on and on and on. So make sure you just scroll down and then scroll back up if you want to see the rest of it. But Audacity is constantly always doing some sort of updates. But let's try giving it an effect here and just kind of show you guys. Basically what you want to do is highlight the area that you want to change on your selected audio track, and we're going to adjust the speed a little bit and play it. So you can see a major difference right there just from adjusting that highlighted track that we chose. So big difference. You can always reverse what you did and undo it. You can cut out certain sections of the track. You can zoom in and stuff too. The easiest way I like to do it is by going up to the selected area, and then you could just magnify, zoom in, and take out any type of glitches, higher areas in your song, and reduce that down. So by reducing down, you want to go to amplify and you can adjust that down. That's a little slider bar that you can move the track as you need to. And this is how you would actually get in and do mono tracks, stereo tracks, add new tracks. So we're going to add a new track here. And then all you do from this point is just hit the record button. But you want to make sure you always select that track. It's picking up a little back feed from the previous track there. But if I go down here and just hit solo on the track, you'll be able to hear me actually say something. So as you can hear me say that was what I actually recorded. Now you can make adjustments on that as well, and make sure that it doesn't pick up any of the audio track, but I was playing that through my speakers or with the computer. So the next track is a current song cover track that I'm working on, Def Leppard cover track, and as you could see, it takes a lot of patience. So these are just like hit and miss parts basically in there, and just adding and adding and adding and adding to the track. So it takes multiple times. The tracks that you see towards the top are stuff that I've already put together, and I'm just adding these additional ones down below just to make it almost close to the original song. So all I have so far is just the drums, a little bit guitar in this, not much. I'm waiting for my friend to actually contribute into the guitar part. So I've done the drums, and basically he's got to fill in the guitar for the rest of the song. So there's no bass line yet, so I have not gotten that far, but let's check this out.
Love is like a bomb, baby, come and get it on.
All right, so that's just me just choosing my vocals there. And we're going to go up here and actually change it to where we can put in the rest of the track with it.
Love is like a bomb, baby, come and get it on.
Sounds totally different without guitars, doesn't it? So here's another section.
Listen, red light, yellow light, green light, go. Crazy little woman in a woman show.
Yeah, so that's basically, where I know where to start. So this is everything I've already put together so far. And as I've said, I've just gone in and done MP3, downloaded as MP3, converted all into one track. And then if I want to add more stuff in, then I just go back and play along with that one single track. So this is where I added in double bass and extra beats to the song, as you see there. So let's get ready to play that. So those are just additional beats, and we're going to check it out with the rest of the track so you can hear that. Okay, so not bad. It's a little different than the original.
Love is like a bomb, baby, come and get it on. Living like a lover with a red iPhone.
And that's what I try to do is beat the original stuff, add some additional stuff of my own.
Red light, yellow light, green light, go. Crazy little woman in a woman show. Mirror queen, red queen, rhythm of a love.
That's just with the actual double bass pedal added into there, so that way I don't get too close to the original and I don't get the copyright claim. So anyways, that's just a little tutorial. I'm sorry it was really quick. I just wanted to thank you guys and wanted to show you how I do my cover tracks. There you go. Stay tough.